Hello and welcome to Academy's YouTube channel. In today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, we'll learn how to resize any image in Photoshop using two methods. A quick resize for exact dimensions and a smart resize using the content-aware scale in Photoshop that helps you fit a landscape photo into a portrait frame without losing the quality. Whether you're resizing for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or any layout, this Photoshop tutorial will make resizing feel simple and clean. For more Photoshop tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to Academy's channel, and if there's a Photoshop tool you want us to cover next, drop it in the comments. Let's start with the quick method. I've opened my image in Photoshop. To resize it to any dimensions, go to the top menu and click Image, Image Size. A window will pop up where you can adjust the width and the height. You can change the unit depending on what you need. Pixels, percent, centimeter, anything. Make sure you lock the proportions, otherwise your image will stretch. Type in your new size, and once you're happy, click OK. That's the fast, straightforward way to resize. Now, if you try to resize a landscape photo into a 9x16 portrait frame the quick way, it will stretch everything, and that's something we don't want. So here's the smarter method. First, duplicate your layer so you're working non-destructively. Now go to Edit, Content Aware Scale. This lets Photoshop squeeze the background while keeping important things like people or buildings looking normal. But we need to tell Photoshop what to protect. So grab the lasso tool and make a rough selection around the subject and any important object in the frame. Then go to Select, Save Selection, name it, and deselect. Next, crop your image to 9x16 using the crop tool, and make sure Delete Cropped Pixels is unchecked. Now go back to Edit, Content Aware Scale. In the top bar under Protect, choose your saved selection. And now when you scale the image, Photoshop will avoid distorting the protected area and adjust the rest instead. You've got a clean 9x16 version without stretching what matters. And that's how you can resize an image in Photoshop using two methods. A quick image resize and a smarter content-aware scale method for fitting images into a new aspect ratio without stretching the subject. If you want to go beyond tools and learn graphic design from concept to execution, explore Academy's live online graphic design courses taught by industry leaders and backed by a job guarantee. Watch this space for more quick and super easy videos on Photoshop for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content. See you soon and happy designing!